Well, this is my kitchen, as you can see. All kinds of stuff there. Anyways, this is April 9th, 2013, on a Tuesday. And I'm going to show you outside my house. See what it looks like after the windstorm. I think we're okay. Yeah, had a pretty good windstorm. So yeah, I think we can get a little baby does there. Yeah. They're right in there. That's probably too dark for you to see. Right between those two cans. But as you can see, it's not. But you can see the mountains. Except for the wind. Getting tired of the wind. Yeah, yesterday you couldn't even see down the street. It was so bad. Well, I think that's about it. Oh, I'll show you my new little scooter over here. My scooter. It's a 2012 Yamaha Zuma 50cc. Very nice bike. Very cool. Anyways, there's Dove. I can get a little closer. Yeah. I don't want to scare her, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave. She's right in there.